What's up YouTube, welcome to another video and Samsung Galaxy A31 is here. Samsung today has announced its latest handset in mid-range category as the device is going to be the successor of A30. We know since from the start of this year we are seeing more and more affordable devices are introduced by Samsung in the mid-range and upper mid-range category. The Galaxy A31 is going to be seen in the mid-range category. As the Galaxy A31 gives us a direct competition to the Galaxy M31 that is also a mid-range category device. It has a 48 megapixel of main camera with a 5000 mAh of battery. So let's find out the other specification which we are going to see in this particular device. First we will discuss about the display. So the Galaxy A31 is coming with a 6.4 inch of Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display. Its screen resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixel. 20 by 9 is the aspect ratio of that particular device. Also we will see an in-display fingerprint scanner in the device. Bezel around the screen is slim on top and the edges, but we see a slight chin on the bottom of the device. The U-shaped notch on the top center of the device is holding a selfie camera of 20 megapixel. Whereas on the back of the device we have a quad camera setup which is placed in square-shaped camera bump along with an LED flashlight. Main camera for the Galaxy A31 is going to be a 48 megapixel. 8 megapixel is the ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel is the macro lens and 5 megapixel is going to be the depth sensor camera. Samsung didn't provide much information regarding the processor, but it is expected and many leaks suggested that we might see a Mediatek Helio P65 chipset inside. That is going to be a decent processor inside the device because the Helio P65 is going to be a decent performance for all your daily tasks and gaming. So two variants are going to be introduced in terms of memory inside the Galaxy A31, and the base variant is going to be 6GB 64GB internals, whereas the other variant is going to be 8GB RAM and 128GB of internals. Also the device is supporting a micro SD card of up to 512 GB. Samsung Galaxy A31 is coming with a latest software from Google, the Android 10 with a skin of One UI 2.0. Galaxy A31 will last longer thanks to a massive battery of 5000 mAh which provide enough juice to last for the whole day. With that battery we also see a 15 watt of fast charging support inside the box. Galaxy A31 is coming with in 4 different colors: the Prism Crush Black, Blue, red and white. Price for that device has not yet been announced, and we will see the price in future, and I will let you know in the comment section regarding the price of that particular device. So overall the device is impressive and it has a decent camera, a massive battery which is a nice thing that can hold for a whole day. Also it is coming with a Helio P65 processor which is nice addition. So that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.